Jai Sriman
Rama is coming out of that palace at the front gate, at the first gate. Lakshmana is standing with bowed head and with so much of humbleness. Anjali Putam Sthitam. He is ready to follow Ramachandra Swami. Like that, Lakshmana is following. Then Rama is coming out, is passing the second gate where all of his friends and so many people are there. Rama trying to talk to each and every one. And Aruroha Radhottamam. After that, Rama is now getting into the beautiful chariot. Rajatam Rajanandanaha. Such wonderfully decorated Sri Ramachandra Swami is now getting into Radham. Radham is also glowing like anything. The chariot is glowing like anything. Chariot is so wide. Chariot is embedded, decorated with all kind of gems and everything. The chariot has such a huge and very strong horses. Into that kind of chariot, as and how a Devendra enters into the chariot, so also our Rama is now getting into that chariot. With the sound coming out of that chariot, all the sides and entire earth and entire sky is spreaded with the sounds coming out of that chariot. Into that chariot Rama is now getting into. Slowly the chariot is starting. Mahendra Sriman Mahendra Diva Chandramaha. As and how the moon passing through the Mahendra, the mountain, so also our Ramachandra Swami is now slowly starting in that chariot, passing through all the people. So many people are there. Right back in the Rama, Lakshmana Swami is standing with holding a beautiful umbrella and also fanning to Rama. Lakshmana is protecting Rama in such a way. He is thinking that not even a single ray of sun should fall on my Rama. To that extent, Lakshmana is taking care of Rama. So many people are looking at that beautiful scene. Everybody is out of joy. They are making so many sounds. And people are offering their own protection to Rama. Some great acharyas, they are all praying, all the devatas, they are all doing stotra pathas to confer protection to, security to Ramachandra Swami. Those ladies who were in the houses came out, and from there they are all sprinkling so many flowers on Rama. And also they are all thinking that Sitamma is so lucky, Sitamma is so fortunate. Probably she might have done so many tapasyas and so many vratas in her past life. Because of that, resulting all that, now she got such a wonderful man, Rama, as her husband. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us now sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.